Welcome to FiberMall's 400G OSFP to 2x200G QSFP56 DAC product video. 400G OSFP to 2x200G QSFP56 DAC one end is in 400G OSFP module, and the other end is two 200G QSFP56 modules. It provides 8 data transmission channels at speeds up to 56 Gbps PAM4 per channel, supporting transmission distances of up to 3 meters. The minimum bend radius for OSFP connectors is 80 millimeters, while the minimum bend radius for QSFP56 connectors is 46 millimeters. Test 1. Interconnecting NICs in Ethernet mode. Insert the module into the Ethernet switch and NICs. Green light indicates successful connection. Test 2. Interconnecting NICs in InfiniBand mode. Insert the module into the InfiniBand switch and NICs. Green light indicates successful connection. After successful connection, you can check the module information and NIC connection status through commands. Designed for data centers and high-performance computing networks, it delivers an ultra-high-speed 400 gigabits per second interconnect solution with low power consumption and high density. For any inquiries, please visit FiberMall.com.